you can always do more with Snapmaker. Happy birthday!
Happy anniversary, and don't forget, make some wonderful.
Happy anniversary, Snapmaker. I wish you all the best for the future.
Happy birthday and all the best for the future. From me.
Thank you, Snapmaker. Happy anniversary, and I wish you ongoing success in the future.
But yeah, happy birthday, and may there be many more. And we'll keep on making things that are wonderful together.
I think Snapmaker is doing a great job keeping the community alive and building great products. I want to wish all the Snapmaker team happy anniversary.
I wish you all the best, and again, congratulations.
And I just want to say thank you for reigniting my passion into 3D printing and filmmaking. I can't wait to see what you guys do next, and here's to 9 more years.
I just wanted to drop in to wish Snapmaker a happy 9th birthday. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with in the coming years. It's been a great 9. Can't wait to see what's next.